I'm Dr. Sunita Gulati. I'm currently working as professor and head at Rama Medical College, Harvard. Now I have completed my 10 days FMAS program today at World Laparoscopy Hospital. It was a great experience learning from the stalwarts such as Dr. R.K. Mishra sir and Dr. Bhalla sir. The program was very informative. We are not doing much of lab cases at our hospital presently, but I'm sure after this course we can definitely start with basic and then go to advanced surgeries. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Mani from Panipat. I have been doing laparoscopic surgeries but never was practicing endosuturing. This particular training of FMAS has really helped me, and from now on I'll do endosuturing as well. It's a very informative session. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Himangi Agrawal from Siliguri, West Bengal. Earlier, before I came here, I was a bit worried about the pattern of teaching here. But after coming here, I realized that this is a place really you get to know each and every step of laparoscopy. Mishra sir and Bhalla sir are wonderful. Entire team of WLH is very supportive. I got to learn a lot of basic principles of laparoscopy. So it is the best place. So please visit here if you are a lover of laparoscopy. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Sagar Verma. I joined FMAS to enhance my lab skills. The training was excellent and hands-on was excellent. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Pinto. I'm actually coming from Kanyakumari, and I heard this course about from my friends and my other colleagues as well, because they have come here earlier. At first, when I came here, I didn't expect this completely, that how good the course might be. I was thinking like people have been learning laparoscopy for years and still they struggle. And I was thinking like how it is possible for everything to be completed within 15 days. And I was completely surprised by how much dedicated the sir was, and even Bhalla sir. Like both of them they really taught from morning till evening, and the wet lab sessions really helped us, and we were completely mesmerized. And we look forward to learning more from sir. And I really thank you, sir, for organizing all of this and making us the greater surgeons of the future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Munawira from Malaysia. I'm a gynecologist and obstetric gynecologist. Actually, I'm very happy for this course, even though there's a short course about 2 weeks, but it's very so much I learned here. It's not only the theory and also the clinical practice. So I think others from other side, I advise to come here to learn the theory and also the practical, because it's very good laparoscopic course here. Okay, thank you.
Good day, everyone. Gladys Omotima. Glad to be here all the way from South Africa. And I want to appreciate the teachers for giving me this opportunity to teach me. When I came here, I have been doing laparoscopy before, but this course has taught me the fundamentals, the basics, and it was worthwhile. And I'm hoping that my patients will be managed much appropriately. And also shout out to all the technicians and everyone who assisted us partake. I would encourage everyone to come, whether you are new to laparoscopy or you've been doing it. This will give you a foundation, basics. Thanks. Cheers.
Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Norhayati, gynecologist from Malaysia. I've attended this course, diploma and fellowship in laparoscopic, minimal laparoscopic surgery. And then the course is very structured, very complete. And I'm really recommend whoever want to come and to learn laparoscopy in details, you have to come here and join their program. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rahana, the gynecologist from Malaysia. My opinion, this course is very useful course, and it taught me a lot of things that I don't know before. And I would like to suggest all my gynae friends to come and attend this course. It's very useful to you guys. Thank you.